GST rollout will force the insurance companies to bring an upward revision in the existing premium rates. That's the word coming in from the Bharti AXA Life Insurance. CNBC TV 18's Yash Jain caught up with Sandeep Ghosh, the director and CEO of Bharti AXA Life, and discussed issues ranging from the company's growth plans to mandatory listing for insurance company. A slice of that conversation.
We are in some very advanced discussions with partners, potential partners, mostly bancassurance partners. And if one or more of these partnerships fructify, we could see a further acceleration in growth rate. So the typical double-digit, mid-20s kind of growth rate is what we are able to deliver organically. But new partnerships can take that further up.
GST rollout is expected to have an impact on insurance business in terms of it will increase the taxation on personal finance and insurance products. Do you think this also implies that a lot of insurance companies will look at bringing an upward revision in the premiums which currently exist?
It will have a impact on premium rates. So that is one factor to be considered. But I'd also like to highlight that there is another element that we need to be extremely mindful of, which is the actual mechanism with which GST is implemented specifically for the insurance industry. The insurance industry has rallied together and made strong representations that we have a centralized compliance mechanism towards GST. Because for us to have to comply with GST at a state level will be complicated.
There's a draft which is out in the market from the insurance regulator which says that any company which has completed 10 years of operations will have to compulsorily list on the exchanges. Essentially, the regulator is intending to bring more transparency in the sector. What are your views on this particular draft?
There are multiple ways of achieving the desired transparency, corporate governance without necessarily having to go public. So the active dialogue that we are having as industry with the regulator is that don't make this mandatory. Let companies and their boards and their shareholders decide if and when they are ready for this.
Okay, what we'll do is we'll take